Hi guys, Cowgirl Kelly here. I'm so excited. I'm going to do a new ceiling fan. This one is old. I want to change it for my office. This one has been here for like 10 years. I want a new modern one. So I came across this outlet and it is like a Lowe's and it's like a Home Depot outlet when you have returns. If you live in the Tampa area, it's in Lutz. It's on Leonard and 41. And you can go in there and they have tools, ceiling fans, lighting for vanities, cabinets. Really nice. But anyway, I'm excited because I have another project. So I'm going to show you how to do a ceiling fan for the people out there that don't have a clue. This is a ceiling fan I got. It is from Home Depot, but like I said, I bought it at the liquidation center. It cost me $40, and right now online it's $159. Alrighty, here's the breaker. You do not have to turn the whole entire breaker off. Just go find where that one room is. So I'm gonna go find where my office is and turn that one breaker off. But my contractor friend says, oh no, you don't have to do that. Just turn off the light. But I don't want to be electrocuted all up on the ladder by myself. All right, the first thing you want to do now that the breaker's off is you're going to drill these screws out. So the first thing you're going to do is remove these screws. I'll tell you what I'm doing is I'm going to take off the blades because they're in my way. I'm taking the blades off first. All right, guys, I only have 2 more blades left. I took them off because they're in my way. So now I took all the blades down. Those are complete. Now I'm going to go back up here and remove this screw. That's the one that holds the piece up in the wall. I'm going to try to do this as best as I can with one hand. All right, so that's taken down. So we got the white to the white. Make sure your wires, you know your wires before you start messing with them. I got my blue to my red because mine turns on from the light. So I got my blue, red. What else? Here's my black. And here's my ground. Ground to the green. So you got ground to the green, black to the black, blue to the red, and this is if you have a light. I have a light right there, and the light switches it on. All right, I had to move them out a little bit more. So remember, black to black, red to blue, white to white, and green to wire, green to the brass. Okay, now what you do is you take these off. These are the caps that protect it. If I can take them off. I'm gonna have to turn this off so I can do this. I need 2 hands for this to take off the caps. All right, guys. So now that I got the wires out, moved them away. Make sure that you can pull this out. So I'm going to show you what you have to do. See how this part is hanging on? You're going to lift it like this, and you're going to pull it out. That's it. I'm going to do it. I need 2 hands, but you're just going to lift it and pull it out, and it'll come out. All right, I lifted it, as you see. Now it looks like this. It's in my hands. All right, so there it is. And if you look up there, that's what you have left. So now we're going to put the new one on. Okay, so this is all together. I'm going to use the wire cutter to make these a little longer so they can attach to what's up in the ceiling. This fan's a little different than mine, but it's got a hook that'll hold this up while I'm putting the wires together. Got the black, the blue, the white, and the green. All right, so far I've done this one, I've done this one, I've done this one. I use this wire cutter actually. It's a Power. Got it at Lowe's. Anyway, just be careful you don't strip all these wires out. All right, now I'm gonna have to take this down, this bracket, because this is a bracket for this ceiling fan. So I'm gonna unscrew this and I'm gonna unscrew this. And then I'm gonna put this new plate on. So hold on a minute, let me unscrew these two, take this bolt off. All right, now that I got it aligned, I have to screw these in here. That's the way it's supposed to go. All right, so what I did was once I put the plate up, and once I went ahead and used a wire cutter to get a little bit more wire coming out, so I have a little bit more room. You use this hook on this plate, which is a little bit different than the other kind of plate, which I call it a ball plate, and you stick it through here, and see it hangs there for a moment, so it gives you a chance to put the wires back the way they came. So remember at the beginning of the video, I told y'all what wires to use? So I'm gonna use my blue to red, black to black, white to white. I got the green ground wire right here. So I'm gonna do green and the ground. So the green and the ground go together. All right, guys, I'm getting there. So now what you do, since I've wired it all together, I put the caps on. Make sure you put the caps on. Now I have to go and I have to put these in the holes, but I can't hold the phone while I do this. So you're gonna put those in the holes, and here's the screws that go with it. Okay, with this ceiling fan, you have to put these in here, and then you have to put them inside the holes. It's a little bit different than the standard one that I took down. Okay, now all the blades are in. Now I gotta do the light kit. Yeah. Okay, so now we're doing the light kit. We gotta do, see the arrow to arrow? And then see those are the screws right here. We'll put that plate in, so hold up a minute. Okay, the last part is you connect, this is the light kit. So you're gonna connect the white to the white and the black to the black. Okay, now the light kit's up. Now we just put the bulb. Now you just screw it in here and twist it. Okay, all you're doing is twisting it until you screw it. Then you put these on. All right, now that's the ceiling fan. Now let's test to see if it works. That's with the light. It works. It has 5,000 cool white, or you can put it on 2,500, which is more like a golden color. But that's it, my ceiling fan. Woohoo! Another project done by Cowgirl Kelly.